The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a robust action camera that combines advanced features with user-friendly design, catering to both amateur and professional videographers. Design and build. The Osmo Action 5 Pro maintains a familiar yet refined design, featuring dual OLED touchscreens for intuitive control and framing. Its rugged construction allows for water resistance up to 20 meters without additional housing. Image quality. Equipped with a 40-megapixel sensor, the camera captures sharp and detailed footage. It excels in low-light scenarios, delivering superior performance compared to some competitors. The default color rendering in normal mode may not appeal to all users. Battery life. One of the standout features is its exceptional battery life, capable of recording over 2 hours of 4K footage at 60 frames per second. This longevity surpasses many competitors, ensuring users can capture extended sessions without frequent recharging. Stabilization and performance. The Osmo Action 5 Pro offers impressive stabilization, effectively handling various activities such as hiking, biking, and water sports. Additional features include a pressure sensor for altitude and depth information. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro stands out in the action camera market with its superior battery life, robust design, and advanced imaging capabilities. Thank you so much.